It's Justin over there. He's supposed to hook me up with some drywall. Hey, how's it? I'm on the roof. There's Jane. Jane's doing the fences. I'm doing the roof. So we're pretty much done with the fence and the gates. Here's one gate, and here's the other one down here. But Jane's running a strand of barbed wire along the top of the hog wire fence. To be honest, I'm pretty amazed that she can do this all by herself. I thought I was gonna have to help her the whole way down, and she basically was just about maybe like here, and then she did all this fence by herself with the one barbed wire strand. So very impressive that she was able to do that. And looks like she'll easily get at least one strand all the way down to the fence over here. I'll try not to fall off. All the way to here and to that edge. Once she does that, we're gonna come back and do a whole nother strand starting here, and we go all the way around up here, and we do another second strand. And what that does is it keeps the horses from wanting to lean on the fence. Okay, let's talk about the roof for a little bit. So over the rafters underneath where I'm standing, there's plywood, and then we did a peel and stick on top of the plywood, and then on top of the peel and stick we put these purlins that are fastened to the rafters. And then here we got the tape. This tape goes between the purlins and these sheet metal panels here that my friend Tyson cut for me. And basically I just started taping, but I wanted to record it because I really haven't been doing any footage. So these purlins right here are gonna be, I'm just gonna go to here with the tape, and then I'll start applying these panels. It looks like this top panel got damaged. You can see there's some cracks and stuff because they broke free from the temporary screws I put them in. And there's also another panel down there that that one kind of flew away. It was like, I believe I can fly. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put this tape all the way to the end on each one of these, just right up until I hit the edge of the panel. And then after I do that, I'll fasten the existing panels on, and as much as I can. Looks like I'm only going to be able to do like 4 when I need 6, so probably have to go buy some more and then cut them and apply them myself later. But I lost some materials, but I didn't really lose it, because even though those are ripped, they'll make great roofs for sheds, and I need to build another shed. This little guy down here, he's not really cutting it anymore. I have too much equipment, too many tools. So I'm gonna have to get a bigger shed, and I'll probably build it somewhere along the wall by that gate over there, just so it's out of the way. Really exciting stuff. Maybe I'll post another, maybe I'll record some more today. I don't know. I'm really busy, but I just wanted to try to do something to kind of update for the next video. Latest. All right, so I got most of the roof panels on. We need two more over here. But I had some damaged ones. You can kind of see them down here. You see them back there? Those two actually got blown off the roof and got damaged. So I can't use those. But we're almost there. Just got to get 2 more cut, and we'll be done with this phase. And it's just flashing on the roof, and the roof is pretty much done. And I'm not going to really do the flashing right away. I'm going to probably put the walls on first. Hey, how's it? We've been working for about 3 days, and I've been working on these window seals. These guys right here. This is a unique thing. Since it's such a small window, I'm not doing a jack, just right to the stud. And I'm doing 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. After we get these windows on, I'm gonna put the the wrap on tomorrow. It's winter break right now, so trying to get as much done as we can. It's been kind of a rush. Also, Jane's been clearing out this area with the pickaxe. Used to be a lot of plants in here. You can see over there, that's all the that's a pile of all the stuff she took out. So go Jane. So you can see Big Island. Yeah, because we get internet when it's clear. Here's our home for the winter break. A little tent in there. I've been framing around the tent. It's pretty funny, but it's been working out okay. We're hoping to wrap today. By wrap, I don't mean like finish. I mean like wrap the house.
It's there.
So here's the window I took out. Man, this thing freaking sucked. This was hard, getting this bugger out. Apparently with these guys, they're supposed to go outside of the outer sheathing. So you do that and then you put some trim on them. Usually windows go inside of the outer sheathing. But you know, they're kind of like shed style windows, so they got to go on the outside. And so basically what's going to happen is I'm going to cut out the windows after they're already in with probably like a reciprocating saw, maybe some hand saw, I don't know, see how I feel. And there'll be 4 right here. Okay, just like clockwork. So the like 1.5 sides of the Tyvek are on, well 1 1/4, 1 1/3, something like that. But it started raining pretty hard. As you can see, it's like not dry out here.